So the sixth form of exercise is bird dog combination, same as bird dog 1 and bird dog 2. The position is still the same as bird dog 1 and bird dog 2. Yeah, you hands on the ground and your feet. In usual, you can do the regression one, which is bird dog 2, lifting your feet, and just bring your arms the same level as your head. But the bird dog combination have a twist, which you swing your arm and the opposite leg will rise in the street position. Okay, let's do the neutral first, which is the bird dog 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we'll do the regression one, which is bird dog 2 with your feet and do the form. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There, we did it.